Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this video will be talking about a new scheme that the center has recently rolled out. When we take a comparison from last March till this February, and the scheme's name is Production Linked Incentive Scheme. Yes, so this is basically to encourage manufacturing in India, wherein a lot of jobs can be created and a lot of goods can be manufactured, so that we can become a net exporter than a net importer from here. Because there is a lot of dependency on China for a lot of manufactured products. So the PLI scheme is going to be a game changer, wherein India is going to be a self-reliant in terms of manufacturing and also being going to be a fantastic exporter across the world. So the center has decided to roll out the PLI scheme, including for ACs and LEDs, worth about 6,238 crore on 1st of April. So watch out for this date. It's going to roll out a scheme for ACs and LEDs. But last March also, the scheme was launched for mobile phone manufacturing and specified electronic components, and also for drug intermediates and also active pharmaceutical ingredients and some medical devices. And this entire scheme that was launched last March was worth 51,355 crore. So if you see the last March, that is 2020, as soon as the scheme was released, corona pandemic hit us all, the stocks fell drastically down, and from there on it picked up, and today the markets are at all time high. So people who have shown courage to the buying stocks at that place after the fall, and also who had this knowledge of PLI schemes, would have made very good money from it. And on November 2020, it added 10 more companies or sectors to it, with an incentive of almost 1.46 trillion. So the government and the ministry is saying that this is going to be a game changer in India, because it is not only going to manufacture locally, but also it is going to manufacture for the world. With the population that India has, it is going to consume a lot of these products, but also with the amount of production that is going to happen, we can become exporters of these items also. Now, the main expectations from the scheme is to increase the incremental production worth 1.7 trillion, and also exports worth 64,400 crore, by creating around 1 lakh jobs. Now, if the jobs are created, there will be a huge amount of direct tax and also goods and services tax over the 5 year period, and there will be a lot of consumption. The economy is definitely going to grow, because only when the people of this country consume, go out and spend money, that's when the economy grows. Actually, when the money is there in the market, that's where the economy has the GDP also grows. And the main intention is to become self reliant and reduce the amount of dependency on China. And we are going to show to the world and to the people of this country that we are going to manufacture on ourselves with the amount of quality and scale, and also match up to China over a period of time. So this PRI scheme is going to be definitely a game changer. And I have a stock here. It's called as Voltas Limited. Now, Voltas, you know that it operates in ACs, most prominently air conditioners. So last year, around before November 2020, before the scheme was announced, and after the pandemic, the stock was almost at around 600 rupees. And by the end of year, that is by 29 December 2029, 30 31 December, if you see, the stock was trading at around 814. Today, the stock has gone up almost 200 points, and right now it is at 1,001 rupees, making an all-time high of 1,024. So that is the impact that these kind of schemes are having on these type of stocks, which are sector specific. And if you would like to track these kind of stocks, you should go ahead and track those stocks where ACs and LEDs are manufactured. One such example is that I've given you, that is the Voltas, and many other things. For example, pharmaceutical ingredients and medical devices. Find out those stocks on the radar, or in the stock market. Put them on your radar and start tracking them. Whenever you find a good amount of lows, you that should be a place where you can go ahead and buy those stocks, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you had some amount of knowledge getting into your mind, and I hope this video helps you. Until next video, please keep supporting me, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new to my channel, and also like the video, and keep putting your comments down below, so that things like these actually motivate me more to do more, right? So thank you so much, guys. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope you all have a happy life. Thank you.